which we call Kanjur, taught by the Buddha. 108 volumes. What do you think they are talking about? They may be saying slightly different things, but in many cases, so many things they are saying again and again. So this 108 volumes of Kanjur and 225 volumes of Tenjur, they are not there to entertain us, entertain you and me, so that every time you turn a page there is a new information, there is a new subject. It's not like that. In one way or the other, they will be saying more or less the same thing. Because the target of all these teachings is how to destroy the negative, destructive emotions. That's the target. If you don't deal with these destructive emotions, if you don't try to reduce them, if you don't try to weaken them, then you may become a great scholar, a good Geshe, or even an abbot and so forth. But your study has really not served the purpose. So that is not easy, you see, transforming your mind. Practicing is the most difficult part. Knowledge is important, it also takes time, but that is not the most difficult thing. The most difficult thing is practicing it. Seeing the destructive, negative emotions as your enemy, fighting them in the battle, weakening them. Especially one has to see individually. There are countless negative emotions. You may not be able to fight with all of them at one go. So the best way of dealing with this negative emotion is, one, to see out of these countless negative emotions, which I'm sure we all have, which one of these has a predominant presence within you. Because that is going to harm you, that is going to destroy you. So therefore try to deal with that destructive negative emotion. Right? So now I'll give you 1 minute to reflect. I'm not going to talk. I'm trying to change my way of teaching. So I'll give you 1 minute and think which one of this negative emotion has a predominant presence in you. So it's a kind of meditation. You find it out.